All right, this is phase 4. This is a full demonstration of the living room. Just to give the quick overview, you can see that I've got the couch here with the chase. I've got the projector mounted underneath this coffee table, which I've cut a bunch of different holes and put a UPS underneath it here on the side, if you can kind of see it there. And then loop the cables so that they go down underneath the carpet, and then underneath there is a floor plate underneath the chase there. So that way you don't see any cables. Over here, you can see that there is a, if I get this in focus here, come on. This is a wireless, well, it's a full subwoofer that's plugged into a wireless receiver, which is transmitting from over there. And then to the left of that, we have the wireless HDMI video transmitter. We have an HDMI splitter, which will split the signal between a projector and a television, the receiver for switching, the DVR cable box, PlayStation 3, a UPS. There's a switch behind all of that that you can't actually see. And you can see it's kind of a mess of cables up here. But you don't normally see it because that's like 8 feet up in the air. And then I still need to put a computer over here so that I can, play Skyrim or make it into a DVR or my server or what have you. And then obviously we have the television here. And then on top, we have 5.1 surround audio with directionally mounted woofers and directionally mounted tweeters. Now, let's go ahead and light this bad boy up. You can see all of the different remotes. So it's the afternoon and it's got some daytime out, but let's pretend we're going to watch something here. Turn on the television. And right now the mode is in cable, which you can see on the receiver up there. Takes a second, and then presto changeo, we're watching, whatever. In this case, we're watching Watchmen. Now, let's say we want to go all out, and we actually want to watch a movie, and it's nighttime. So let's just go ahead and fast forward. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is hit the remote here, and it'll make the projector screen automatically come down. And then I will go ahead and turn on the projector here. Takes a second to warm up, and it should be receiving the signal so that it should be playing on both outputs at the same time. So signal is processing, please wait, and presto changeo, you can see the image. Now keep in mind the projector is warming up. It takes a couple minutes for it to get to full ambient intensity of 3000 ANC lumens, and also keep in mind that this is much better at nighttime, but then again, you can see I've got a ton of light right now from all of these windows, and you can still see the image and everything. So that concludes this demonstration, and the only thing left to do is maybe trim up those cables a little bit, but for all intents and purposes, we're done. So have a good weekend, and to be continued.